Imagine you have been coding for years, sending resumes everywhere, but nobody hires you. You feel stuck outside the industry until finally you get an interview at a major company and say, "This is my one chance to finally break into the tech industry." Or picture a super serious business meeting. Everyone is quiet, looking at spreadsheets. Suddenly, the boss chair collapses. He falls on the floor and the entire room breaks into laughter. Hey guys, today let's master the phrasal verb break into. This is a powerhouse verb for anyone aged 18 to 30 because it covers your ambitions and your emotions. It generally means to enter something with effort or suddenness. Think of it in three ways. First, the career meaning. When a job market is like a fortress with high walls like Hollywood, tech, or fashion. You can't just walk in, you have to break into it. It implies struggle and eventual success. Second, the emotional switch. When you suddenly change from being calm to having a strong reaction, like breaking into tears or breaking into a smile, it is instant. And third, the physical meaning. To enter a house, a car, or a bank illegally or forcibly. Hey, I want you to think about your biggest goal right now. What industry are you trying to enter? Or what makes you laugh instantly? Commenting below is the best way for you to show engagement with the community, and it helps you put your knowledge into practice immediately. So, watch these next 7 examples carefully and then write your own. Here are 7 more practical examples to help you master this. Example 1. She has been taking acting classes for 5 years, hoping to break into Hollywood. Example 2. As soon as he saw his puppy, he broke into a huge smile. We lost the keys, so we had to break into our own house through the window. Example 4. I was so late for the bus that I had to break into a sprint to catch it. It is generally difficult to break into the conversation when everyone is shouting. Example 6. I am saving money, but my car died, so I had to break into my savings account. Example 7. I forgot the code to my suitcase, so I had to break into it to get my clothes. Now, it is your turn. Go to the comments and post an example you have created. Is there a career path you are trying to break into? If you can relate, leave a like to let me know. Keep learning and see you in the next video.